Hello, design lovers. Today, we're sharing 10 interior design tips to make your small room feel big. If you're dealing with tight spaces, don't worry. These simple yet effective tricks will help transform your room into a spacious, stylish retreat. So, let's dive in and make the most of your space. 1. Transparent and open frame furniture. In tight spaces, bulky furniture can make a room feel closed off. Instead, opt for transparent pieces like glass tables or open frame furniture. They maintain functionality without visually blocking the room, helping to create a sense of openness. 2. Natural light. Natural light is your best friend. Maximizing natural light is key to making any room feel larger. Avoid heavy curtains or dark window treatments that block light. Instead, go for sheer curtains or shades that let in plenty of daylight. Mirrors can help amplify this light, bouncing it around the room for a bright and airy atmosphere. 3. Floating furniture. Another modern trick is to mount furniture like desks, vanities, or shelves on the wall. By keeping the floor space clear, the room feels more expansive and less cluttered. Plus, it gives you the flexibility to add extra storage underneath. 4. Multi-level lighting. Incorporating different levels of lighting, like floor lamps, wall sconces, and overhead lights, adds dimension to a room. This layered lighting technique creates depth, making even the smallest spaces feel bigger and more welcoming. 5. Neutral color palettes with pops of accent. While light colors like whites and pastels are great for opening up a space, don't be afraid to add small pops of color through accents like throw pillows, artwork, or rugs. This balance keeps the room from feeling sterile while still maintaining an open, spacious feel. 6. Use patterns sparingly. While patterns can add flair in small spaces, they can overwhelm. Use them sparingly, like a single accent wall or through small textiles like cushions. Keeping large areas simple and neutral lets the room feel more spacious, while small bursts of pattern keep it visually interesting. 7. Sliding or pocket windows. Just like sliding doors, sliding or pocket windows can be a brilliant space-saving solution. They take up less room compared to traditional windows, allowing for more flexibility in arranging your furniture or decor nearby. 8. Use ceiling space for hanging lights in small spaces. Floor lamps and large table lamps can take up valuable real estate. Opt for ceiling-mounted lighting like pendant lamps or chandeliers to keep the floor space open while still ensuring your room is well lit. 9. Floating plants or hanging greenery. Incorporating plants can bring life to small spaces without taking up valuable floor real estate. Opt for hanging planters or wall-mounted plant holders that add a touch of greenery without reducing your walking space. 10. Furniture on legs. Opt for furniture that stands on legs rather than sitting flush to the floor. By exposing more of the floor space, the room instantly feels less cramped. Raised furniture gives an airy, open feeling that contributes to a sense of spaciousness. Thanks for watching. If you're ready to make your small space feel larger, give these tips a try. Let me know in the comments which idea you'll be trying first, and if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time for more home design inspiration.